Okay guys, let me continue with the third video. As I was saying, brokers, they get their liquidity from liquidity providers. Liquidity providers are technological companies that get liquidity from the banks and the institutions and the hedge funds that are trading on the interbank market. So what happens is the broker makes a deal with the liquidity provider so that they can receive liquidity. And then they make the best deal actually. Every broker wants the best liquidity. And then what happens? The brokers are given MT4 platforms to operate with. So those MT4 platforms, there are some plugins that the brokers are given access to. So the brokers can actually add on to the prices that they receive from the liquidity provider. So the ask and the bid prices that you see on your platform when you're trading, they are not exactly the ask and the bid prices that are in the interbank market. So what happens is this: now, if you're dealing with a broker that is adding a markup to the price and you are not trading manually, you want to use an algorithm that will be scalping, that will be holding a trade for less than 1 minute or for 30 seconds, you will lose money. But if you test the system, it will show that you could have made the money. But if you now run it on the live account, it will be like you're losing money. Why? It's because the broker is giving you the price different from the price which they are getting from the liquidity provider. That's why when you are trading manually, let's say, and you make a profit of $600, what happens is the broker doesn't execute your trade. The broker executes your trade through the liquidity provider, but they are showing you their own price on the MT4. So what happens is that in actual fact, when you make $600, you actually made maybe $750. What will happen is, because the brokers activated your trade, on the interbank market, if you make 650, they'll make like 750. They'll pay you your $600. The remaining 150, the broker will get the money, and then they'll pay a small fee to the liquidity provider for that trade. That's how the brokers are making money. So since most of the people are losing money on the brokers, they say 90% of traders lose money. What is happening is that the broker is still earning money. Whether you lose or you win, the broker is earning money. It's earning money. That's what's happening. That's why some brokers actually are not even taking your trade to the interbank market. Brokers only take the trades of those who are profitable traders to the interbank market. If you're not a profitable trader, if your track record shows that you're losing a lot, the broker can decide to trade against you. Your order doesn't go anywhere. Some of you, you think you're trading on the interbank market. You think you're trading with the banks, you're trading with the institutions, but let me tell you the truth. Some of you, you're just trading against the brokers. That's the honest truth. When you buy, they sell because they know this guy has got a very good losing streak. When you buy, they sell. When you lose money, it goes to them. If you make some small money, they are the ones who pay you. They don't get money from the interbank market. But for those who are trading in the interbank market, when you make $1 million, it's not the broker that is paying you, right? Some of you think, no, brokers are the ones who are paying us the money. No, the brokers are getting money from the interbank market. They are processing that money and then they're transferring it to you because you made the money legally on the interbank market. So if you're a good trader, you are making money from the interbank market. The brokers, they don't even want to trade against you. Every time you open a trade, they send it directly to the interbank market. So now you might ask me, why am I using HD markets? Of course, I believe there are other brokers out there who link you directly to the liquidity provider, who don't have any conflict of interest. They are there. But most of them who say they do that, they are lying. I'm telling you, they are lying. I've tested my systems on those brokers. They are lying, especially this algo trade. So my other systems, they are okay. There are 3 systems. The third system can work on any broker, whether it's a market maker broker, whether it's an ECN broker. That one will make money no matter what. It doesn't matter whether the price has been increased by 2 spreads or whatever, it will make money no matter what. And the third EA, my friends, I want to announce this to you. It is the Holy Grail. It is the Holy Grail. What does Holy Grail mean? People are looking at this Holy Grail and they think this Holy Grail is my system, the one I'm showing you. No, this Holy Grail, it's that indicator which was coming from the prophetic strategy. It's not part of my system. You saw I deleted those indicators. It doesn't go away. I wonder why it likes staying here. That's the problem. This Holy Grail, it's not. It's nothing. The indicator, I already deleted it. It's not the volume chart. The volume chart is actually being produced by another expert advisor, which I've put in the background. You cannot see it. It's in secret. It's the one which is producing these blocks, right? It's the one which is producing these blocks. So now, with the expert advisors, the ones which work are the Algo Trade Soft, which I showed you, this one. And then I have another one, which is called Professional EA. All these EAs, mind you, I modified them. I got the original code, but I modified them so that they can work the way I want them to work. Because even the Professional EA wasn't working for NASDAQ and indices. I made it work myself, right? I made it work. And then the Algo Trade Soft also, I have my own settings, which I programmed inside, and it's working perfectly. And I have the Holy Grail 3.0. The Holy Grail. You might ask me, what is Holy Grail? My people, Holy Grail means something that doesn't lose. Over the years, we've been hearing in the trading industry saying, which one is the next Holy Grail? They say this one is the Holy Grail system. What does Holy Grail mean? Holy Grail means no loss. That's what it means. So there have never been a system that cannot lose. All the systems, they'll have a loss either way at one point. Even my volume system, you're going to experience some losses, but you're going to cut them fast at some point. But in most cases, you're going to make more money, more money than you lose. So now, the Holy Grail trading robot. I thank my friend who is in America. I won't mention him. He's also one of my mentors. He's the person who's behind the Holy Grail. After many years of programming and what's this programming expert advisors or robots, he has made a lot of money, and he came up with the Holy Grail, which I was given as a gift. This was my last system that I was given as a gift, and I'm very privileged to have it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Holy Grail doesn't lose, not even a single trade. It doesn't. And I'm going to prove it to you. The Holy Grail doesn't lose, people. Among all these three systems, the Holy Grail will never lose a trade. I know it's so good to be true. It sounds too good to be true, but the Holy Grail is a no-loss robot. The Holy Grail is a no-loss robot. It can trade for you the whole month, and it can even make up to profits of 500%. I ran it on 28 currency pairs at the same time, and it doesn't trade every day. The Holy Grail can spend 2 weeks without opening a trade, and then the next day it just opens 30 trades at once, and all the trades will be winning trades. Why? Because currencies, they have where they end. Currencies cannot go beyond zero. I'm telling you, you will not understand what I mean. That's coding and programming language. I don't want to go deeper into explaining what I mean. Currencies never go beyond zero. That's why I was telling you that even when you're using indicators, you don't know what indicators are calculating. That's why you are not making money. But the Holy Grail system doesn't lose a trade, and it can even make up to 500% of your money in a month. Every single month, you're going to trade consistently without even losing a single trade. It has a 100% winning ratio. This is nice. I'm gonna prove it to you. It's interesting, guys. You see, right now your minds are just blowing up. Like, what is this guy saying? There's no system which cannot. Every system loses somehow. That's what you're saying, right? But with the Holy Grail, I'm guaranteeing you, I'm giving you my word, it doesn't lose. It doesn't lose. The day it loses one trade, my friends, Jesus Christ will come back. If he just loses one trade, Jesus Christ will come back. I'm telling you. Even me, I'll be shocked if that happens. It can't happen, I'm telling you, because I know what is behind the Holy Grail. And the code that is behind the Holy Grail, the code of the Holy Grail, no one will ever know it in this world. Only my mentor knows the code. And my mentor said he will die with the code. No one will ever know it. That's why it never loses, because the person who was behind it is a genius, right? So let me start with the Algo Trade Soft. What we are going to be doing, my people, is that for now, I'm going to do more videos tomorrow. For now, because of time, I'm just going to show you how the Algo Trade Soft works. It is the software that we are going to use to grow small accounts. Small accounts, I mean $20. The minimum deposit for HD markets is $20. I'm waiting for my IB to be sent, maybe today or tomorrow. I'm going to send you the link for HD markets, guys. I want you to enter there through me because you are my students. And then we are going to start trading. I'm not going to start trading manually on your accounts, guys. I'm going to be running Algo Trade Soft. I'm going to tell you when we are going to run the Holy Grail and the professional EA. You understand, guys? I'm gonna start by running Algo Trade Soft. So why do we choose HD Markets? HD Markets, the one behind HD Markets is Forex Broker Killer, FBK. If you know FBK, you search him. He's a South African trader who trades the 1 minute news strategy. The guy has made millions out of the markets. And the brokers even reached the point of whereby they started manipulating his entries because the guy has made millions from the market trading 1 minute strategy. The news, just like every day we want to trade NASDAQ at 330. That's what he does. Nowadays, he's even trading NASDAQ on HD markets. The guy is making millions. He's making millions. I'm talking about 10 million rands. I'm talking about amounts like 6 million rands. I respect the guy. He has his own way of doing it. He's trading the news. Of course, he's not using my approach. He's not using my system. He's using candlesticks, but he's only trading the news. He's not trading technical. You understand? He's not trading technical. He's trading fundamentals. He's trading fundamentals. So guys, Forex Broker Killer, he did a very good job because he wants to help us Africans to have the best conditions for trading. Even people are abroad, Americans are invited, even people from India, you can open your account with HD Markets. You are welcome. What FBK is trying to do is linking us directly to the liquidity providers without any intervention. Is not operating as a broker who is in business or who's adding markup or anything. No, the prices that you receive on HD Markets are directly from the liquidity itself. There's no manipulation. It's exactly what is coming from the interbank market. That's why Algo Trade Soft it's perfectly working. It's making more money on HD Markets than any other broker. HD Markets is the broker where Algo Trade Soft makes more money than any other broker. You understand? So the minimum deposit for HD Markets is $20. If you deposit more than $20, maybe $25 or $30, you get a 50% bonus on top of your deposit, which is very good because it boosts your equity. You understand? And the 50% bonus, there are no conditions attached to it. When you make your profit, you can withdraw your money, but you cannot withdraw the 50% bonus. That's their money. They are only boosting your account. If you deposit anything above $20, you get the 50% bonus. But if you can't deposit anything above $20, $20 is the minimum. It's okay. Algo Trade Soft can trade on a $20 account. So now, I'm just going to show you a test of how Algo Trade Soft works. Let me take Algo Trade Soft. there. We only run it on Euro US dollar, guys. Euro US dollar, the spread is very low on HD markets. It's 0.1, 0.1, 0.2. You'll be able to see the spread is very low. So I'm gonna run Algo Trade Soft just from last week. Let me run it from last week Monday till today, right? We run it on a 30-minute time frame. I'm gonna use the current spread, right? I'm gonna use the current spread because I want us to get the same results, exact results. So I'm gonna use the current spread and I'm gonna show you how it works. We are gonna use an initial deposit of $20, guys. Now look at the settings of Algo Trade Soft. Look, there's no robot in this world that I've come across with so much settings. Look, that's why the Russian company was selling this system for $30,000 because it was programmed. We have the trailing stop losses, we have the trailing stop, the technical trailing stop losses, the break-even stop losses, the take profit. Everything is there. We have things that the dog chains, some things you will not understand them. We have the working hours. Everything has been programmed, guys. Look, everything. Signal 1, signal 2, you will not understand the open shift bars, what. You only understand this if you know how to program robots. And this is advanced programming. It's not a simple robot that you buy online for $2,000. No, for $3,000. No, for $500. No, it's not that. This one has been programmed. That's why it was being sold for $30,000. You understand? But I have it. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God I have it. Thank God I have it. Make money while you sleep. This is good. You see, in my life, I didn't want to always be in the Forex market trading manually. I wanted to also live my life. My passion is music. So I wanted to fund my music, you understand? So I want to live my life. I want to travel. I want to do everything in this life because life is very short, my people. Life is very short. So that's why I love algorithms that work. And I have them because you make money without doing anything. A robot is not emotional. Why do we lose money as traders? We are emotional, we're not disciplined. If you put a stop loss, you move it, you cancel it, and the market goes against you until you blow your account. Human beings, we don't follow rules, we don't follow discipline. That's why we keep on blowing accounts, guys. It's like insanity. You keep on doing the same thing but expecting a different result. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, my friends. So look at the settings. I'm just showing you that this robot has got so much settings. It's very well programmed. They put a lot of work into it. These are very genius people who did this. I have my own settings inside here. Some of the numbers, I changed them because I want it to work the way I want it so that it can make more money. You understand? So now, let me check my settings. Yeah, my settings are okay. $20, okay. Let's run it from last week. We are gonna see it visually. We are gonna see it visually. I'm gonna show you how it works, and then I'm gonna stop the visual test so that we run the test much faster because of time. Let me pause. First of all, one thing I want you to observe is that Algo Trade Soft, when it's running, it's got a panel which shows information. The status of trading, you can see it's not trading time because this is the Asian session. It doesn't trade in the Asian session, right? The working time, GMT +4, it's from 06 to 23. That's the working time for Algo Trade Soft. You see the balance here is $20. That's what we were testing, right? Money management, don't worry about this 100% risk per trade. It doesn't work. It's just calculating the maximum lot size it can use on the $20. So don't say, hey, this is high risk. No. The robot works differently. You can never lose your money. You can never blow your account. So let me start it. Let me play it. Okay, right now I think it's okay. Let me play it this evening. Let me play it. You can see, I've paused it. You can see this robot uses pending orders. It puts the buy stop and the sell stop on the most important levels of support and resistance on a 30-minute time frame. So it's using the breakouts of what? The resistance and the support. So you see this green dotted line here, it's a buy stop. If the price, which is here, reaches here, it will be activated. The red dotted line behind is a tight stop loss, which is also a trailing stop loss. Once the price activates and it moves in momentum to the buying direction, this red trailing stop loss, it jumps in front of the price to try to protect your profit, so that if there's no momentum and the price wants to go back, it will collect some profit for you. If the trade is now activated here and then the price doesn't move forward and the price moves backwards, this trailing stop loss, it will cut you out at a small loss. So you see, everything is inside. The money management has already been done for you. You don't do anything. It's not like a human being whereby if a trade is going against you, you wait, you start to pray, you start to hope that, no, I know it will come back until it finishes your money. With this one, you will not lose your money. Let me play it and you'll see. Observe the balance. Every winning trade will increase the balance. Every losing trade will decrease the balance. Let me play. That was a winning trade. We made 70 cents. Remember, okay, guys, I had an interruption, but let's continue. Let me play it. Remember, this broker, there's no commission charging. So your profits are your profits. So you made 70 cents there. You saw there was an activation. This was on the 24th of August. You see there was a loss.